In the previous video, I told you that in Palampur village, they were growing the kharif crop like jowar and bajra. After that, they cultivate the potato in October and December. After that, they had grow the rabi crop, है ना, wheat और wheat का surplus जो amount था उन्होंने they used to sell in the Raiganj market. Okay, and because of electricity and irrigation facility से in Palampur electricity से which facility came there, irrigation facilities came there. और अगर हमारे पास irrigation facilities हैं बेटा, so we can grow more crops on a same piece of land. So to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. Again I am repeating, to grow more than one crop, I am writing here also, to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping, and it is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. And all farmers, जितने भी पालमपुर में farmers हैं, they are growing at least two main crops, है ना. They were growing the rabi crop, kharif crop. In between they are just growing the potatoes also. So we have the three cropping seasons in India: rabi, kharif and Zaid. Zaid is the crop. Zaid is the season between Rabi and Kharif. Okay, so they were growing, all farmers in Palampur grow at least two main crops, and many are growing potato as the third crop in the past 15 to 20 years. Okay, second one is the modern farming method. In the modern farming method, they used the high yield varieties, HYV seeds. HYV, high yielding variety. Yield क्या होती है? What do you mean by yield? Yield means, what is the meaning of yield? Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. Yield is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. So second step, we have the modern farming method, and in the modern farming method, a farmer used to HYV seed is used, HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, he used the farm machineries. These are the modern farming method. They are used the pump sets, they are using the canals for irrigation, they are using the dams for irrigation, the other facilities they are availing. Why? To increase the production. So through modern farming methods we can increase the production. See students, when in Palampur village they were using the traditional methods. जब पालमपुर में मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स के प्लेस पर जब ट्रेडिशनल पुराने तरीके यूज किए जा रहे थे, एट द टाइम दे वर ग्रोइंग 1300 kg ऑफ wheat. Okay, 1300 kg per hectare. Okay, but when they got 1300 kg per hectare, but after using the modern farming method, they were getting 3200 per hectare. So why it is happened? It is happened because of the modern farming method. And from 1960s onwards till the mid 1990s में, जब या फिर आप कह सकते हैं कि नियर अबाउट 1960 और 70 के बीच में जब ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन आया, at the time the Indian farmer to cultivate of wheat and rice using high yielding variety of seeds, है ना, they compare to the traditional seeds. भाई ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन में प्रोडक्शन एकदम से इंक्रीज हुआ, उसमें क्यों ऐसा हुआ? बिकॉज इन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम पीरियड इन द लेट 1960s the farmers has used the modern techniques, and Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, and next these were the first who try out the modern methods. Okay, modern farming methods. So 1 mark का क्वेश्चन यहाँ आपका बनता है कि नेम द स्टेट्स हु हैड यूज द मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स, और यू कैन से दैट कि सबसे पहले किसने हु वर द फर्स्ट टू ट्राई आउट द मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड. सो यू हैव टू टेल पंजाब, हरियाणा, या नेम द स्टेट्स who were the first to try out the modern farming methods in India. So Punjab, Haryana and Western UP. So because of multiple cropping, they were increasing their production. Because of modern farming method, by using the modern farming methods, they are just increasing the production. And it is all these things are happening because of the electricity, and because electricity provides the irrigation facilities. Okay, so after that we will study beta कि no doubt we are using the modern farming methods. In modern farming method, if we are using the HYV seeds, so we require the more water for it. Okay, the modern farming methods जो हैं हमारे, वो ज़्यादा पानी, उनको ज़्यादा वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है. ओके, और ज़्यादा वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है. नो डाउट इन इट कि केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स अगर हम इसमें यूज कर रहे हैं तो द मिनरल्स दे प्रोवाइड विच डिजॉल्व इन वाटर एंड आर इमीडिएटली अवेलेबल टू प्लांट्स. ओके, जो HYV सीड्स, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स हम लोग यूज करते हैं प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, इमीडिएटली वो प्लांट्स को, क्रॉप्स को मिनरल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. बट साथ में हमें ये भी याद रखना चाहिए कि वो सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को, सॉइल को डिग्रेड भी करते हैं. इफ वी आर यूजिंग एक्सेसिव केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स इन द फील्ड, देन डेफिनेटली द केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स डिग्रेड द सॉइल. सॉइल की जो व्हाट वी कैन से दैट उसकी फर्टिलिटी है उसको डिग्रेड कर देते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर दैट